Hi everyone. So I've been getting a lot of comments recently from panicked people saying they can't render their scenes on Google Colab anymore. This is usually due to a couple of errors. The first is, found no cycles device of the specific type, or the second one, and more cryptic error, failed to create CUDA context, unknown error. So today I'm going to show you how to fix both of these errors and make the world right again. If you aren't familiar with this process, I have an entire series on how to render Blender scenes on Colab, including how to install third-party add-ons and how to bake and render fluids and smoke on Colab. So be sure to check that playlist out. So the first error that I'm going to show you how to fix is the device does not support queues. So the reason for this error is that when you get allocated a random GPU on Google Colab, you may be assigned a GPU that doesn't support optics. In this case, we're using the Tesla K80. So to fix this, you just change optics here on this line of code to CUDA, and then run the last line of code again. The second error is the failed to create CUDA context. So to fix this, you remove the sudo or sudo, which is the super user run command, from the last line of your code, and just run it as a regular user. If you do that, you'll get another error that says attempt to free invalid pointer. So to fix this error, you need to run this piece of code here. And this uninstalls a default Google Colab library and installs the default Ubuntu library instead. And if you do that, you'll see it starts rendering again. I'll make this Jupyter notebook available on my GitHub account if you just want to download all the code and run it yourself, and I'll put the link to that in the description. From all the comments I was getting, I know everyone was freaking out a bit that we wouldn't be able to use Google Colab anymore to render our Blender scenes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please support this channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.